Today folks, we are making Australian onion soup. Start off 2 ounces of butter. Clean that pot. Sid, the German Shepherd puppy, is standing right under my feet. He doesn't want to get out of the way. Next, run about a pound of onions. It's going to take a while. Stay there, don't go away. Ooh, they're good onions. So why is it Australian onion soup and not French onion soup? I'm going to tell you why. It's because I don't use French wine. Wow, these onions are good. Jesus Christ, they're good. Ooh, that was nearly fingers. Wasn't that time though. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's eyeballs though. These are good onions. Let's go on, got them. Suppose any chefs out there. Right, let's get the fire on. 2 ounces of butter in the pan. Is it 2 ounces? Don't know, let's have a look. That is exactly 2 ounces. And that's why we don't need scales in England. Right, we're back. Oops. About a pound of chopped onions. Now they are chopped and not sliced. Into the 2 ounces of butter. Give it some of that. And we'll clear it. Oh no. Coat the onions with the butter. Now we're going to let them soften. Pan lid. To make beans on toast, mate, you can make this. Dissolve that, that'll make 1 litre of stock. When it's all dissolved, I'll just top it up with cold water. They're done. Get that in there. It's 1 litre of beef. That's another litre of water. Now we're going to get that boiling and then leave it simmer for half an hour. Turn the fire up, get it boiling. As usual, salt and pepper. Now then, salt and pepper, seasoning to taste. I like to add about 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, ground, obviously. That's not quite a teaspoon. Stir. Lid on. Wait for that to boil. Meanwhile, same jug. This is why it's Australian onion soup. Australian wine. Boom. Well, I don't believe a lot, does it? Well, I've got it boiling. Now I'm going to move it onto a smaller flame. So a smaller ring on this stove. Turn that one off. Gonna leave that simmer for 25 minutes now. Let's get all those onion flavours and that beef stock going. Time's up for the simmering, that's 25 minutes later. Oh yeah. Let's get this one sparked back up. Back to the boil after simmering for 25 minutes. Turn it down to a simmer again. We're back on the big ring, obviously. I haven't put this in. So what we've got, it's about roughly round about as that. 400ml of red wine, and make it up to about a pint with water, whatever that is. You've got a jug like that. Pour it in. Look at that colour change. Give it a stir. Garlic bread. Serving 2, so it's 4 slices. Way more than enough. On the tray. Heat your oven to 200 degrees. Fan. Cooks in 8 minutes, but we've still got to put the parmesan on it. Back in a bit. As you can see, soup. Oh yeah, soup is done. Back in the more, grating cheese. Parmesan.
Is it gonna be?
For the American viewers, it's parmesan. Oh, nowhere near enough for me.
Not usually. Got some more cheese if you need it.
And now to the oven.
Pineapple pizza.
Garlic bread. This one's got mozzarella on it. Wife likes that. I've got parmesan. Toasted and grilled. Perfectly. Yeah.
Oh crap.
Get it from Aldi. It's garlic bread. In the oven. 200 degrees. 8 minutes. Sorted. Australian onion soup. GoPro, stop recording. Back in a bit. I'm enjoying that doggo. GoPro, Jesus Christ, they're good. Fucking hell. Here's a mistake I made. I'm slicing the onions, not chopping them. Bugger. That, boys and girls, is a cup of soup.